What's wiggling Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenoticing. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this case right here, Apple's Smart Folio case for my 11-inch iPad Pro. So, without further ado, let's get to unboxing it, baby. Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this case's box. As you can see on the front, it says Apple iPad Pro Smart Folio. That's the name of the case, so that makes sense. And as you can see this case through the box, so that's pretty cool. And then over here on the back, it shows you some of the different positions you can put the folio in. But yeah, let's get this guy out of the box. Oh yeah, we can just push this through sort of like that, and then the top starts coming off. Oh yeah, and here it is, the case, baby. So come on, come out, little guy. Well, actually, big guy. This is a pretty big case because an iPad's a pretty big device, and it looks like there was a bit of paper placeholder inside of it to mimic the iPad shape. So now here is just the case. Look at this guy. So let's put it on my iPad Pro. So we can just put the case here, grab the iPad Pro, and let's see. So can we just plop it in just like that? And was it that easy? Is it already on? I think so, folks. So yeah, there it is. Oh wow. So I guess it attaches on magnetically because it feels nice and solid, nice and on, just like that. And watch this. What makes this case smart, I wouldn't go as far as to call it smart like Apple does, but their reasoning for it being smart is, watch this. When you close the case, well, let me unlock the iPad first. Watch. So when you close the case, it puts the iPad screen to sleep. So watch closely. See? Just like that. And it went to sleep, but now when you open it back up, it goes back on. So let's see, can you guys see that? So watch, on, now you close it, and it goes off. So yeah, that's what makes it smart, I guess. So yeah, and as you guys can see, I got the white version of this. It also comes in a pink sand color, as well as a charcoal gray color, if you're interested in any of those options. But yeah, let's start using this folio stuff. So we can fold this into a triangle, and I just felt it secure with the magnets inside the case, just like that. And wow, now it's standing up like this. This would be awesome for watching maybe a YouTube video or maybe a movie or something in this orientation right here. You can also put it at an angle like this if you're more into this. Maybe this could be good for, I don't know, how about typing? If you just want it a little bit upright, not all the way, but yeah. And lastly, you can also just fold it over like this and hold the iPad normally. If you heard right there, it just magnetically secured onto itself just like that. There must be a lot of magnets in the iPad and in this case to get this all to work. And yeah, then when you're done, boom, just like that, close it, and here you are with a protected iPad. Now, one thing also that is cool about this case too is since it lets you prop up the iPad Pro, you can even pretend it's sort of like a computer if you have your own Bluetooth keyboard that works with the iPad Pro like I do. So watch. Now I have it sitting here, right? I don't have to hold it or anything, and I can just type away as if it's like a laptop. So that's pretty cool. So like, hello, this is Shane. You should subscribe to Warenotice. Oh yeah. See, isn't that pretty cool? And yeah, folks, anyway, with that, that'll be all for this Warenotice unboxing of Apple's Smart Folio case for the 11-inch iPad Pro. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful and everything, and if you did, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one, because after all, I do love all my subscribers. So if you want Big Daddy Shane's love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with Apple's Smart Folio case for the 11-inch iPad Pro, baby.